Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix not working on mobile data on Snapchat. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, as you can see, I disabled my Wi-Fi connection and enabled my mobile data. So first of all, I'm going to open my Snapchat application, and now as you can see, everything is working correctly. But if you have problem with your Snapchat, first of all, you need to make sure your internet connection is working correctly. So you can go to any browser link and check your internet connection. So if everything is okay, the second way you need to do is to go to your App Store application or Google Play maybe, and then search Snapchat here. After that, you need to click on this application, and then if you see new updates available, you need to download the last version of this application. Maybe it will be one of the solutions of this issue. So if you downloaded the last version of this application, the third way you need to do is to go to your iPhone settings. Then you need to click on the general option, then iPhone storage. After that, in this interface, in this list of applications, you need to find Snapchat, then click on that. After that, you need to click on the offload app, and after offloading, you need to click on reinstall app. So if after that you still got this problem, you need to go back to the main page of your iPhone settings, then scroll down until you see this list of options, this list of applications, and then you need to find Snapchat here. Here it is. After that, you need to make sure you enabled mobile data and background app refresh. So if you can't enable background app refresh, you need to disable low power mode. And after that, you need to enable background app refresh. So after that, you need to go to your Snapchat application, and then your problem will be fixed. So, and that's how to fix not working on mobile data on Snapchat. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.